Hey, there you are, and welcome to My Dude Watch. My name is Jason, and today we have an awesome AliExpress haul video for you. These watches range from about $30 all the way to about $150. These are incredible. Can't wait to show them to you. All right, we have Homage watches of legendary divers. We also have some chronographs, field watches, and more, so this will be fun. You know the deal. Grab a snack, pull up a chair, and let's talk watches. And before we get rolling, let's do a really quick wrist check. You are looking at the Addiesdive SD 1953, and you all know its value. It's one of, if not the best value on AliExpress. It is a whole lot of watch. It's 316L stainless steel sapphire crystal AR coating, 300 meters of water resistance, an awesome bracelet with solid links and silent end links. It really is an amazing watch. One last thing, we are having some giveaways right after the first of the month, so make sure you get registered. How do you get registered? Well, I'm glad you asked. You just need to subscribe to the channel. That's it. So do that because we're going to have a Millifortec watch, the jumping hour, to give away. We're also going to give away an SD 1970 by Addiesdive, and I know you all love that watch. So make sure you get registered. All right, here we go. This is a Pagani Design offshoot, and they carry their own weight. Roll Stimmy's making a name for themselves, and they continue to give us solid, reliable watches in this price range. Their catalog is being filled with stunning timepieces that flourish for very little money. This one is no different. Take a look at this. This is the RT7931. It's available in two colors, one of which I suggested last week for your consideration, and this is a gorgeous chronograph. This watch has exceptional finishing and premium parts. This is a 40 millimeter case diameter with an AR coated sapphire crystal and tons of 316L stainless steel. We picked this one up for just over $50, and this is insane value for the money. Next up is a beautifully designed watch that has a gorgeous dial, and I just love it. It's open, balanced, and simplistic. This is the Pagani Design PD 1765, and just take a look at this one. It has a Seiko Mecha Quartz sweeping around the dial. I love that they reserved this open real estate on this dial. This really is a stunning timepiece. I think the only thing I would have done differently, and this is not a complaint, I would have made the shield logo a tad larger and removed the name altogether. This watch wears really nice. It's got a 40 millimeter case, but wears so comfortably. I picked this one up for just over $40, and I'm so happy I did. We are at the third one for today's haul. These guys make a nice, clean, efficient design. They are simply rugged. Take this Tandorio 39 millimeter pilot watch. What do you guys think of this? It's less than $50. First of all, it's a classic military-inspired look. These aesthetics are just awesome. You get 316L stainless steel with really good finishing. You also get a reliable NH35 automatic movement, 200 meters of water resistance, and honestly, a watch that is just fun to wear. We are rolling into number 4, and this one is simply a banger. It's a timeless design that will be around forever. This is by Addiesdive. It's the AD 2055. I've recommended this one in the past, so I felt it was a good idea to pick it up because honestly, I just believe in the reliability of it. The colors look great together, and the dial is simplistic, but so well done. There is a date complication at the 3, and another thing about this dial, I love that the logo is not there. Addiesdive did some cursive font and really added a bit of elegance for you. This one is right at $50, and it's just incredible. This is a blue sand dial timepiece from Binyar. This is model BY5208, and it's a nice looking watch for sure. This one has the BY9018 movement, which is an in-house movement that I know absolutely nothing about. It's a 40 millimeter stainless steel case and costs around $30. So I thought for this price, I'd give it a shot and see how it does. We are rolling along, so let's keep the momentum moving forward. Let's take a look at another Pagani design. This is the PD 1766 Speedy Homage. I'm going to be honest, I really think this color scheme is awesome. This is another one of those classic designs that will always be in style. This is a 40 millimeter case diameter with a really solid chronograph movement. You get stainless steel, a sapphire crystal with premium parts and components, along with 100 meters of water resistance. Pagani Design is not known for their loom, but this one has the best loom I've ever seen on any of their watches. We picked this up for about $45. There's a link in the description should you want further information. A month or so ago, I suggested to you that you pick up the Roll Stemmy Tank Homage, and I really believe it's a great watch. I picked it up myself. It's powered by the Seiko VH31 sweeping quartz movement. It's pretty solid build quality. Now, it is made of alloy, but it is less than $30. Check out the legibility. It's just incredible. You get 50 meters of water resistance, has a nice size case that is 35 by 39 millimeters and only 10 millimeters thick. It's definitely worth checking out. We have found our way to number 8, and this is one of my favorite watches. This is the Thorn SHY021, and I really do like it. This is a nice looking classic vintage design. It's 37.8 millimeters in diameter, 44 millimeters in length, and this timepiece is only 9.5 millimeters thick. It has a stainless steel case and case back. The dial is covered by the K1 mineral crystal, and it has a nice leather strap. This is a really safe design. You will like it, and so will everyone that sees you sporting it around. It's priced just over $40, and I'm glad I picked it up. You are looking at an awesome watch. This is the Doxa Homage by Tandorio, and it stands out on its own. Just take a look at this design. The dial is very distinctive. It has a 42 millimeter case diameter with a 44 millimeters lug to lug. I picked this one up for about $66, and it's worth every penny. And lastly, this is the Addiesdive model WD1680 with a Seiko NH35. You get 300 meters of water resistance, sapphire crystal, and a stainless steel case back, crown, and bracelet. It has a 120-click unidirectional rotating bezel with a ceramic bezel insert, and this one was just over $90. It's awesome, and I think you would love it. Well, there you go. 10 bangers and a wrist check, so you got 11 in all. If you want to know more about any of these watches, we did put links in the description. Go there, check them out, see if they're right for you. If you decide to make a purchase, just remember, My Dude Watch will get a small commission, but you don't pay more. Hey, you made it to the end of another video. Thank you for doing that. We appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed what you saw today, please take the time to like this video, subscribe to the channel. It'll only take you a second, but it really does help. Okay, I've been told to wrap it up, so we will close the show. But thanks again for watching. My name is Jason with My Dude Watch, and we will see you next time. But wait, don't forget, dudes can't be late.